Hello everyone. First of all, if you're a new viewer to my channel, welcome. I hope you can learn some tips that will help you use your Instant Pot and have fun with it. And if you're a returning viewer to my channel, welcome back. I have a recipe today that you can do from fresh or you can do from a frozen brick. First of all, we have about 2 pounds of chicken breast in Instant Pot, and you just toss it in there. You don't even have to do saute or anything. Next, we're going to drizzle some olive oil around the top, on the tops of the chicken, and kind of coat them in olive oil. I have my chicken in my Instant Pot, and I tossed them with some olive oil, and now the rest of the stuff you just dump in. I mean, this can't get any easier. So the recipe calls for 1 to 2 cans of green chilies, you know, this kind of stuff. I've already got one in there. I'm putting the second one in. Don't tell the kids. We like it spicy. They're going to have to learn to like it spicy. And then we've got a can of diced tomatoes, and you just dump it all in. We have half a cup of salsa. Medium, mild, hot, whatever you like. You already know what I like. Now we have 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. We'll just dump that in. And then we have, don't forget to put in a teaspoon of liquid smoke and then a bunch of spices. And I'll have everything written down below for you. Now we've got everything in there. You'll get your lid. And you will just give it a double check here, our pre-flight checks. Make sure your basket's snapped in place. Make sure your lid is seated down into the channel. You want to make sure that this knob is on top and ready to go. And we'll just lock our lid into place. If it plays a song at you, you're in the right spot. You'll lock it. And again, it plays a song at you when you're in the right spot. Make sure our knob back here is set to sealing. And then we're going to do 27 minutes. That ought to do it. So manual, 27 minutes. Now, if you cook this from a frozen block, you'll need to add more time because obviously it's from a frozen block. So you'll want to do that for about 45 minutes. And when this is done, you can serve this over rice or tortillas. Anyway, we'll talk about that here in a minute. But our dinner is cooking and we are ready to go. So the timer has gone off and I've opened up the lid. You do a quick release on this, by the way. I didn't record that because we all know it's really loud. But the chicken is cooked. So at this point you want to shred it. You can shred it up in the pot or put it out on a cutting board, shred it up. Then you'll put it back in the pot and then just kind of reduce down that sauce. You can put it on slow cooker mode and leave the lid on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Or you could probably switch it over to saute on low or maybe the normal or the medium setting of saute and just reduce down that liquid. So we'll come back and show you what the finished product looks like. All right, so I've reduced the sauce down a little bit. You can serve this over rice or you can put it in a tortilla. If you do a tortilla version, you might want to simmer it a little bit longer to get your sauce reduced down. We're having it over rice tonight. It smells and tastes delicious. So you guys, you definitely want to try this out. And then also this recipe is written, is fairly quick. I mean, I put the lid on at 5 o'clock. I took the lid off at 5:40. So this is one you could do up after work real easy and not have any trouble at all. And I think this recipe as written could work in a 3-quart Instant Pot as well. You shouldn't have any trouble there. One last thing. We recently lost a loved one in our family, and I just want to encourage everyone to, if you have someone special in your life, go give them a hug and tell them you love them because life really is too short. So enjoy, and we'll see you next time.